So here I am. This is my learning. I'm learning for this course. Basically, I'm just gonna open it. It's the Google IT Support Professional Certificate. So it's about 8 months beginner level, 6 months of the study, and it entails five different courses: technical support fundamentals and bits and bytes of computer networking, operating system, and you becoming a power user, system administration and IT infrastructure services, IT defense against the digital dark arts. So I have already paused these technical support fundamentals. So this in this video I'll dive into the things that I've just learned. I'll just do it from by heart. And so at the moment I'm currently starting the second course. I found this one pretty interesting, very basic. It's technical super fundamentals. I found it very basic, but it gives you a sense of what you need to know, what you need to learn, what you need to keep in, diving into to get better at it. So for this one took me around 20 days. In this one, it has 6 modules, and I have already completed first module 1 out of 6 in just one day. So I think I can do it one module per day if I try to do my best. So I'm gonna make a resume of, of the things that this course says that you are supposed to learn. Okay, these are the basic questions I'm gonna be answering in this opportunity. Okay, so I'm just gonna put them right here. Understand how the binary system works. Yes, indeed, it gave you a brief introduction to binary. So this part of this series, it really sparked my motivation, and I just got inside understanding binary system, converting from ones and zeros to a base 10. And it's pretty amazing the fact that you know that everything that the internet has, all the information, text, images, video, are just ones and zeros. And over other than that, so you learn a lot about the internet. I think that's the basics of the it gave you the pretty superficial knowledge about the internet. It's pretty good. And assemble a computer from scratch. I learned about the the first to assemble a CPU. First, we have the CPU, and then we have to put some paste on it, sort of a glue to for the radiator to work, and then we put this the on the motherboard. Next thing we put is the couple of six components. At the moment, I'm not 100% sure, but I'll just name it: the fan as well, in the heater. We put the hard drive. We put the power supply. It's pretty interesting, that part. So they show you a video on how to do that. Shows and install an operating system on my computer. So they talked about BIOS, the BIOS, in that you have to pre-install on a USB drive the either Windows or Linux Yeah, you have to prepare that USB for you to install either Windows or Linux. So then you go and turn on your computer and then you press F12, and consequently you indicate where the boot where this system, the operating system, is supposed to boot, and that you just follow all the instructions. It's not a pretty complicated process. And choose an install operating system or computer, understand what the internet is, how it works, and the impact it has in the modern world. It's this topic really amazes me. I invest quite a lot of time understanding the internet, all the history, so that it begins in 1960s, and then that it was just a computer, and then the 1970s, ARPA net just could connect a couple of computers, and then was not until 1990s that the first TCP IP model was created. In how it evolved from in just those 50, how many years, 50 years, 40, 50 years, it has evolved to what we have at the moment. It's pretty astonishing. All the data, all the information we don't know about how the internet works. So basically, we have a device that we need to get information from a server globally. So that information is encapsulated. First of all, we have to go through all the OSI model from, well, I have learned more this in the second course. So but this one just gave me a brief overview of everything. They didn't go deep on it. Learn how applications are created and how they work under the hood the hood of a computer. How applications are created. They explain everything about software, application software, and system software. So all things that you see on the internet, it was because of an engineer, systems engineer, coded and created the application and put it on a server that is accessible through web browser, and utilize common problem solving methodologies in soft skills and information technology settings. So they gave a quick overview on customer service, how to troubleshoot as well, some of the troubleshooting and networking. So those were basically my biggest insights in this course. So I'll be doing the next course as soon as I finish the second one, hopefully this week.